Hello, welcome. Question 4, BECE 2025. A trader sold half of a piece of cloth and used to thief of the remaining to sew a dress. What fraction of the cloth is left? So remember, if these are in fraction, we can say that total piece of, let's say, of cloth will be equals to 1 as a total fraction, right? Then he said, he sold half of this. So cloth sold, if I can make it that way, the cloth sold is just what? He sold half of the original one, which still give us what? Half, right? Now, if this is what he sold, then remaining cloth is going to be, the original cloth is 1 minus what he sold, still giving us what? Half. So he sold half, half is left. Now, this half that is left, he used to thief of it to show what? He used to thief of the remaining, right? The original one, 1/5, half is gone. The remaining is going to be what? Half. So to thief of it. So what do you see? The dress, cloth for dress, right? So the cloth used to sew dress is going to be to thief, meaning to thief off what is remaining, and that is going to be what? 1/5. So this is gone. 1/5 is going to be used to sew a dress out of half. Now they are asked for what fraction of the cloth was left. Part is sold, part is used for dress, then the remaining one out of this remainder. So remaining cloth is going to be what was left after selling is 1 on what? 2. What is sold, used for sewing a dress is 1 on what? 5. So if we subtract what is used for dress from what was left after selling, we can get the cloth what remaining. And at this, we can say that this time this is 5, this time this is what? 2. So we have 5 minus what? 2 divided by 5 times 2, 10. Or we use 5 to multiply here to have 5 on 10, 2 to multiply here, 2 on 10. The same denominator, subtract the numerators, and that gives you 3 out of what? 10 as the fraction left. So we can go for option what? B easily. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.